be knocking this thing around. Stop it, Pink. Hey, Marie, come here and grab Pink for me, will you? She's causing trouble. She's chewing on the camera stand here. Yay! That was a good shot.
Here we go. Here we go.
Call that king of the mountain over by the door. There's a real cold draft coming in there, and I love it.
Well, they love those acorns.
They do. I think they're nice and cushy, so that with those teeth, you know,
Yep.
they can really sink them in. I started correcting Blue last night, too. He snarled it. What's Nate's brother's name?
Andy.
Andy. I mean, really snarled at him. What are you guys doing?
Red's a happy little fellow. Because he likes food. Yellow, sit.
They're 39 days old today, right?
Good girl. Okay, Yellow got 3 sits. Sit.
Look at this, Marie.
Sit.
Marie.
Good.
Look at the size of this thing. It's going to cause an avalanche.
Sit.
Hey, is that Yellow doing that? Boy, she's getting brave, isn't she?
Yep, that's
Why
Yellow.
don't you better pick that up or she's going to get dumped on. Do me a favor, run over there again like you did. Get them all up. Good running. There you go.
Hi, Pups. Hello. 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 Hello.
That's probably good, huh?